In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your home address in Waze on your iPhone or Android device. Whether you've recently moved or simply want to update your details, knowing how to change your home address in Waze can be very useful. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, make sure you have the Waze app open on your device. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can find it in the App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Once you have Waze up and running, let's get started. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. Go ahead and tap on that to bring up the search interface. This is your gateway to everything Waze has to offer, including your saved places. Now, under the section labeled Saved Places, you'll see an option for Home. Tap on Home to bring up further options related to your current home address. This is where you'll make any changes or updates. On the right side, next to Home, you'll notice the three dots, which might appear as a vertical or horizontal ellipsis. These three dots hold additional options for customization, so tap on them to proceed. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with a couple of options. You'll want to select Edit Home to change your home address. If you're considering deleting your current address first before entering a new one, you can select Remove Home. But in most cases, you can go right ahead and click on Edit Home. A pencil icon should appear, prompting you to enter a new address. Click on that pencil icon and you'll see a search bar pop up. Here, you'll type your new address. Take your time to enter the information accurately so Waze can guide you home with ease on your future trips. After you've typed in your new address, a list of results will appear. Make sure you select the correct location from the results to avoid any navigation errors down the line. Once you've selected the right location, you'll see an option to either tap Done or Save, depending on your device. Be sure to save your changes so your new home address is retained in the app. And there you have it. Updating your home address in Waze is straightforward, and now you're all set for a seamless navigation experience from your new location. Thanks for following along and enjoy your journey with Waze.